Hello, my name is Hasib Ullah. I'm with MHU Financial Services. I'm going to talk to you about today the donation tax credit that we are eligible or we are able to claim in our personal income tax return. Before I go into the donation tax credit, I just wanted to make a couple of comments. I do get clients who comes to me and says they don't want to claim the donation tax credit because the donation was meant to be for donation purposes and they do not want any advantage from it. There are clients who would come to me and ask me how much credit, how much dollar credit or advantage they're getting in their income tax return for the donation they have done. They want to know the amount and then they go and donate that amount. I also have clients who went and reached out to scholars, to religious leaders about the donation tax credit. And some of the views were that it is the law of the land. You are able to get a credit for the donation you claim, so it is your right to get those credit. And so there are different views about the credit that you are able to get. And I'm just here to talk about the credit that you may get if you apply for it. I'm not here to influence any of your decision as to how or if you should claim the credit or not. There is a donation tax credit that is eligible for income tax return, and we have two different tax systems in Canada, the federal and the provincial. So, by the way, the donation tax credit has to be donated to a Canadian registered charity. If you don't have a slip for your donation, if you don't have an official income tax slip for the donation you have made, it's also known as official contribution slip. If you don't have that, we are not able to claim your donation. You have to have a receipt with the Canadian CRA business number or the charity number listed on the receipt. We are able to get 15% on the first $200, 10% provincial on the first $200. So you get a combination of 25% on the first $200 that you donate. Anything above 200, you're getting a donation or you're getting a credit of 50%. It's 29% federal, 21% provincial. So again, the first $200, you're getting only 25%, which is 15% federal, 10% provincial. The rest, you're getting a credit of 50%, which is 29% federal, 21% provincial. $1,000 donation into a registered charity will get you $450 in your income tax return. So your out of cost from your pocket, out of pocket cost would only be $550 if you make $1,000 donation to a registered charity. There is, however, an additional credit that we can claim up until 2017 tax year. That is called a first-time donor super credit. What it means is if you have not donated, I should make myself clear. If you have not claimed a donation, if you or your spouse have not claimed a donation from 2007 in your income tax return, and you have donated anything from 2013, or let's say you donate now and you have not claimed any donation, if you donate, you would be able to claim an additional 25% in your personal income tax. This is an additional credit that you're eligible for. So if you are donating $1,000 in total this year for 2017, you will be able to get your normal $450 credit, plus you will get an additional 25% given that you have not claimed donation as of 2007. You will be able to get $250 more on that $1,000. And it is that first-time donation tax credit is a maximum of $1,000 that you can claim. So if you do 25% of that, it's come to $250. That gets added to your $450. So you are getting $700 in your income tax return for donating $1,000 into a registered charity. Just to recap, you're donating $1,000 in 2017. You have not claimed any donation in the previous year. This is the first time you're donating, or maybe you have donated previously, but you have never claimed it in your income tax return. If you donate $1,000 this year, you have a receipt for $1,000. You are able to get $450 as a regular donation tax credit, plus you would get $250 additional first-time donor super credit. So a total of $700 is what you can get for a $1,000 donation. Your out-of-pocket cost of a $1,000 donation will only be $300. So you're donating $1,000, but you're getting back $700 in your income tax return. Your only out-of-pocket cost is $300. So I encourage everyone who has not donated to donate this year. We are seeing a downturn in the economy, and there are a lot of organizations, a lot of people that need help. If we can lend our hand with small donations, then I think it will be beneficial for not only the economy, but also for those people that are in need, or those organizations that are in need. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please like us on Facebook. If you have any question, I will be more than happy to take your question. You can either send me a text or you can send me a message on Facebook, or you can go to visit my website at mhufinancial.com. I'm also available through text. You can send me a text on my business phone number, which is area code 403-383-2038. Thank you for watching.